Very soon, I'll be a mom. I can't wait to meet my little one.
Hi.
Honey, I brought the blanket.
Thank you, my love.
Like this. The baby will be so cozy. Is the baby kicking or is it just me?
Yay!
Taffy, soon you'll have a little friend. The dog is so excited to meet them. Everything has to be perfect.
But it's already perfect.
No, something's missing.
Oh.
Not enough toys. Look at this cute bunny. And these are its friends. Let's place them right here. What else do we need?
Diapers, maybe?
Yes, exactly. Diapers, bath ducky, baby oil, rattles, a little pillow, a sweet dress, and a matching bonnet. Everything's ready. Want to take a look?
Wow.
You did amazing, Barbie.
Baby's going to love this.
She'll be the happiest baby ever.
Can't wait to meet her.
Where are our older girls?
Let's go check.
Chelsea and Becky just finished lunch.
That was delicious. What's for dessert?
Let's look in the fridge. There's so much in there. Maybe bananas?
No, not that.
How about some veggies?
Yuck. No thanks.
How about a cheese toast?
That's not dessert. Is there anything sweet?
Here, cupcakes for you both.
Wow, thanks.
Have you finished lunch? Do you want to go for a walk?
Let's go to the park.
Oh, our baby is so active. I need to go to the hospital.
What's happening?
I think it's time.
Time for what?
Time for our baby to be born.
Am I really going to be a daddy?
I'll call my sister. I need to get ready. Can you watch the girls?
Yes.
See you soon. Mwah.
I can't wait.
Bye.
Hi, Cindy. You'll be an auntie soon. Can you stay with the twins?
Girls, I have news. Your sister is going to be born today.
Today?
Aunt Cindy will stay with you, and then you'll meet the baby.
Yay! We're so excited.
Who said auntie?
Auntie Cindy!
Taffy, I'm happy to see you too.
Hugs!
I've missed you so much.
We missed you too. Let's have some fun today.
Oh, our little ones are so lucky.
Where should I start? Oh, hang in there, baby, just a little longer. You'll need a suitcase. Right. Let's start with my things. A cozy robe, clothes for the hospital, and for the way home. Oh, can't forget the brush, and my toothbrush. Of course, perfume. And a hairdryer. Body lotion. Shampoo is a must. Perfect. Now the baby's bag. A little pillow, diapers, clothes. My baby will be the cutest. Bib, pacifier, bottle, baby oil, more toys, lotion. You can never have too many toys. And of course, a rubber ducky. Phew, I think I've got everything. Honey!
Did you call me? Whoa, that's a lot of stuff.
It's only the essentials. Too bad we can't bring Taffy with us. Hello, doctor. We're on our way.
I'll grab the suitcases.
Hello, I'm Dr. Elsie. Honey, where are you?
Oh, sorry, I got held up with the bags.
Get changed. We'll start the examination.
Your robe.
Thanks.
There you go. Careful.
Wow, this is comfy.
Not so comfy for me.
Look at all this stuff. Everything a baby needs.
And why did we bring so much?
You never know what you might need. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin. All right, let's take a look. Baby is doing great. Is this your first baby? No, we have adorable twins already. Blood pressure, temperature, heart rate, all good.
Hi.
You're about to become a daddy.
Wow. Sweetheart, I'm staying right here with you.
I'm a little nervous.
I'll hold your hand the whole time. Everything will be just fine.
Wow, now we'll meet the baby. Who will we get? Write in the comments. Let's peek inside. So many packets. A baby card? What's here? Let's open it. Wow, what a cutie. Hello, little one. Oh, how precious. And here are baby essentials, a mattress and a soft blanket. The last packet is a crib. Let's set it up. Oh, how cozy. Swaddle the baby. So tiny. A teddy bear will guard her sleep. Is the baby doing well? Mommy and Daddy are waiting excitedly. Congratulations! You have a darling daughter. Come to Mommy now.
She's as beautiful as you.
Her eyes are just like mine. Time to weigh her and give a vaccine.
The girls will be thrilled to meet their sister. I almost forgot how small they were.
It's time for the baby to get the procedures done.
Of course, doctor.
Let's start with weight. Okay, I see. 2 pounds, 6 ounces. Perfect. Now for the shot. Stay here a moment. A little poke. Done. How did it go? Just perfect. Honey, can you help dress the baby?
Please?
Of course, my love. On my way. I brought everything.
Let's put on the bonnet and wrap her in the cozy blanket.
She's so adorable. Why is she crying?
Oh, she's hungry. Shh, it's okay, sweetie. Here's some yummy milk.
Oh, she calmed right down.
She just wanted to eat.
I'll go pick up the girls. They're so excited.
Bye for now, my love. Is everything okay? Everything's perfect. Thank you, doctor. After feeding, tickle her back to help with gas. I got this. I'm an experienced mom now. Great. Time for crib now. Oh, look. She's already asleep. Sweet dreams, little one. Good night. Can't wait for the girls to meet her. Look, that's us with your mom when we were little.
You look so funny.
I have good news. Your sister is finally here.
Yay, we're so happy. Daddy, that's amazing.
I love you, my little gems.
Taffy is so happy too. Congratulations, my sweethearts. Safe travels home. Give your baby sister kisses for me.
Mom is waiting for us.
You must be hungry. Oh, yes, very. Today's menu, scrambled eggs, sandwich, banana, water, and orange juice, healthy fruit puree, and a treat for dessert. Enjoy your meal. Thank you. I need lots of vitamins now. Baby and I are full and happy. Oh, she looks so sweet asleep.
Honey, here we are.
Hi, my loves.
Big sisters came to meet the baby.
Mommy, we missed you so much.
I missed you too.
Where's the baby?
Let's go.
Wow, she's so tiny. She looks like an angel.
Meet your sister. Her name is Angel.
I want to hold her. No, I'll go first.
Girls, don't fight. You'll both hold her. Be gentle.
Okay. She's smiling at me. And at me too. Look, Mom.
You both did wonderful. Let's take a photo to remember.
Say cheese.
Why is she crying?
Babies cry to say they need love and care. Shh, sweetie, it's all right. See? She's calm now.
She's so beautiful. Mom, this is from me. A little bouquet. And a drawing from me.
Thank you, my treasures.
I love you all so much.
We love you too. When are we going home?
Discharge date is today.
The real fun starts at home. The baby will need all our care and attention.
Yay! I can't wait. I want to play with my sister.
Just a little patience. Soon.
Are you ready to go home? Yes, I want to go so much.
Yay! Let's go.
One last check. All set. Your baby is healthy. We can discharge you now. Yay, finally. Here's a bouquet for Mommy and balloons for the girls.
Wow, they're amazing.
Thank you, Doctor. These flowers are beautiful.
Congratulations, darling. I love you so much.
I love you too, my dear. This moment deserves to be captured.